Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul slash already unboxing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I went to Fry's Electronics looking for solder accessories. I was looking for solder cleaners. I was looking for braided desoldering cable. I was looking for a solder sucker and a few other items, and for whatever reason the entire Fry's company decided to change all of their vendors at the exact same time. So the store was literally bare bones. All they had was Schottky diodes, resistors. They didn't have motherboards, they didn't have routers, they didn't have no computers on display, no laptops, no video cards, nothing. They didn't have hard drives, they didn't have Ethernet cables, they had nothing. The one thing I did find in that section, or the soldering section, was these FlexGuard convoluted tubing. And for 6 feet of this at Walmart, it's like $10 or $8 or something like that. For like 15 feet or something at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, it's like $20, almost $30. They had these on sale for 1/4 inch for 14 feet was literally, let me get the receipt, it was literally $4.99 a piece. So these two were $4.99. This white one was 3/8 split seam loom, it's 10 feet, it was $4.99 or $5.99, and the black was $4.99 for the 3/8 10 foot. I picked them up because I needed some for some wiring for the horn that I'll be installing, and what I had was 1/2 inch and 3/4, and it's too big to go where I need it. So I picked these up. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging. This is just, I took them out the bag. This is the unboxing and the tool haul in the same video. So hopefully you guys that have a Fry's near you that don't live in Arizona, hopefully your store has product, because the two stores in my state didn't have anything. Like, the only thing they had was literally solder and soldering irons, and they were the cheap, like, $8 soldering irons. And their solder for like a 1-pound spool was like $80. It was ridiculous. There's other supply places that I could have bought solder. I wasn't there for solder. I needed, the cleaning utilities for my soldering gun. And I didn't have any, but I had to solder. So, but it is what it is. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.